I've got the Naza controller here for my quadcopter, and I'm going to go over real quick setting the GPS, attitude, and manual mode position settings, as well as a failsafe switch to engage your return to home. I'm going to be doing this on my Futaba 10C, and I'm using a channel 5 on my receiver. On the software side, I've got the Naza 1.6 software loaded, and we're going to set it up so that it will change between GPS, attitude, and manual mode, as well as engage into failsafe just by the flip of a switch. I'm no radio master or genius, but this is how I've set it up on mine, and it seems to be working great. The key here is that we want to have failsafe on a switch, and we want to have our different modes on a switch ready to go. So I've set up most of the basic settings for this copter. I've calibrated, all that's ready to go and complete. You can see the sticks are following the calibration motions just perfectly. So what I'm going to do is use this switch C up here. It's a 3-position switch, and I'm going to use that to change from GPS to attitude and manual mode. So basically all you want to do is set it so your endpoints get the switch to land within these different areas that they've already pre-designated. So we're already set up a GPS, and that's because I've gone in and changed my endpoints for channel 5, which is going to be my control. So I've got it set at 61 here. You can see if I scroll up, eventually that scroll wheel is going to go past the point where I need to go. So I'll bring that back down to about 61, I think is in the middle there. Then I throw the switch all the way down, and it's going to be the same deal. I've set 60 here. If I go too far, it falls out of range. So 60, 59, all those seem to fall within the range that they've got for manual mode. And that's going to set up your attitude mode to be right smack dab in the middle. So we've got that set up real quick and easy. 3-position will change easily using these endpoints. Now if we want to just go in and use this D switch, which is a 2-position switch, we want to set that up for engaging the return to home feature. We'll go into mix mode, and channel 5 I know is the control area that I need to be modified. So I'm going to dig in there. And what I've found is really you can just move these 2 points, spin this guy down to -45. You know, it may be slightly different for your different radio, but I spin these first 2 points down to -45. Then scroll down. You're going to want to change the mix to off. I've got the master set at channel 6. Slave is channel 5. The link is off. The switch I'm going to use is channel 5, or excuse me, D. And I want the position down to engage this mix, so that when I flip the switch down, that's going to engage failsafe. So all this should be set. If I flip the switch, now we modify the channel, and it toggles between on and off on the mix, and also toggles on screen to show that we're going into failsafe mode. So then what you do is just switch it into failsafe mode, leave that setting, go to the receiver on your multicopter, and engage its failsafe. It will remember this setting. So if you ever do lose link, it will naturally kick into failsafe. So that's the quick and easy way to set up your GPS, attitude, manual mode, and also go into failsafe. Thanks for checking it out.